Good morning. Sergeant First Class Reginald Knight, retired, reporting. I had a question asked this morning. How soon should we expect the Medicare cuts to take in effect if the Senate passes it? The unfortunate answer is fairly quickly. A few years ago, the Congress passed a Pay-As-You-Go Act, which basically says that the federal government cannot go into arrears for these type of programs. So that's going to trigger immediate cuts to services, and it's also going to trigger higher costs for prescriptions for older adults. It's going to increase your premiums, and if you have to stay in the hospital, it's going to really astronomically raise the rates you're going to pay for a bed per day. So the pain is going to increase from now until 2027 because they have to take that $500 billion and shave it off the top, so that all Medicare programs operate at cost or below cost. Now, what's that also going to do is that for a lot of rural communities where hospitals operate solely on the income, the revenue from Medicare and Medicaid, a lot of those hospitals, a lot of those clinics are going to shutter immediately, out of fear is that they're going to be delayed in getting paid, or they won't get paid at all. And as I said yesterday, they estimate 7.6 million Americans are going to be without health care because of this bill. So strap in, folks. It's going to be a short ride until we see what we see, but it's not going to be pretty. And, older people, people on pensions, people on Social Security are already having trouble paying for medications, paying for food, paying for housing. And now they're going to have these increased costs on top of the tariff costs, which Trump doesn't want people to talk about. So it's a triple whammy for senior citizens and people with disabilities, vets that are 65 and older. They automatically transfer into the Medicare system. They're going to be affected by this. There's going to be pain all across the board except those who are high earners, who have never missed a meal in their entire damn life and should be ashamed of themselves. But you and I know that shame in this iteration of the Republican Party, that's incompatible. That's a phrase, a statement, an explanation that escapes them. Sergeant First Class Reginald Knight, retired, reporting. If you like my videos, please like, share, and follow me on YouTube. Have a good day.